Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change Facebook page name. So by the end of this video, I will show you how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app right here. And once we open our Facebook app, the next thing that we need to do is to click this 3 horizontal line on the top right corner and then click this settings icon. After that, just scroll down. You see page setup right here, so click page up and then you will see your name right here. To change it, all you have to do is to click this view button, and then the next thing that we need to do is to just change our name into something else. So let's say for example we want it to change to this, and then after you're done with this, just click review change, and then after that just enter your password again and then click save changes again. You're now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.